Introduction. Girish is at the hospital. While playing with his friends at school, he twisted his ankle. His ankle is swollen and he is in terrible pain. He is unable to move his feet. The doctor examines him and tells him that he has suffered a bone dislocation. She prescribes medicines and advises bed rest for 4 days. In this lesson, you will learn about the different organ systems of our body and their functions. Parts of human body. Human body is divided into 3 main parts. They are head, trunk, limbs. Head is the uppermost part of the body. Eyes, ears, nose and mouth are located on it. Trunk is the middle part of the body. It is divided into chest and abdomen. Many important organs such as the heart, lungs, stomach, intestines and kidneys are located inside the trunk. Limbs consist of a pair of arms, hands, legs and feet. Our arms and hands assist us in eating, writing, playing, holding and lifting things. Our legs and feet help us to walk, run, kick and dance. External and internal organs. Each of the 3 main parts of the human body bear many organs. These organs may be classified as external organs and internal organs. The organs that can be seen from outside are called external organs. For example, eyes, ears, nose, mouth and limbs. The organs that cannot be seen from outside are called internal organs. For example, brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, kidneys and bones. Sense organs. The organs that help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel are called sense organs. There are 5 sense organs in the human body. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes help us to see the things around. Ears help us to hear sounds. Nose helps us to breathe and smell. Tongue helps us to tell one taste from another. Skin protects us from various germs and also keeps our internal body organs safe. Organ systems. The internal organs of the human body are grouped together to form different organ systems. Each organ system performs a special function. Some important organ systems of the human body are skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system and nervous system. Let us now learn how each organ system works. Muscular system. The human muscular system is made up of muscles. Muscles are the soft and fleshy parts of the human body. They are attached to bones and enable movement. Regular exercise keeps bones and muscles strong. Digestive system. The human digestive system consists of the mouth, stomach, intestines and anus. Human beings take in food through the mouth and remove waste through the anus. The digestive system breaks down and absorbs food which gives energy to the human body. Respiratory system. The human respiratory system is made up of the nose, windpipe and lungs. It helps take in oxygen from the air and remove carbon dioxide from the human body. The oxygen mixes with food to give us energy. Excretory system. The human excretory system is made up of lungs, kidneys and skin. It removes wastes from the human body. Kidneys purify blood. They remove excess water from the human body in the form of urine. Lungs remove carbon dioxide. Skin removes waste in the form of sweat. Nervous system. The human nervous system consists of the brain and nerves. It controls all physical and mental human activities such as thinking, eating, reading, and playing. All the other organ systems and their functions are controlled by the nervous system. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Human body is divided into three main parts: head, trunk, and limbs. On the basis of their location, human organs are classified as external and internal. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are the 5 sense organs of the human body. Each organ system is made of some organs that together perform a special function. Some important organ systems of the human body are the skeletal, muscular, respiratory, digestive, excretory, and nervous system.